You see a present?
Yeah, I see it.
Let's see what it is.
Okay.
Let's see who gave you this present.
I
Oh, it says, Dear Mayara, happy birthday. We miss you and wish that we could join in your celebration. Love and a big hug. Lucy and Sasha. Lucy and Sasha, you remember them?
know. Yeah.
They send you a present. Let's see what it is. Oh, how cool.
What is it?
What is it? It's a mini kickboard.
Oh.
See it?
Oh.
You like it?
So can I ride it?
Yeah. You want to say thank you to Sasha and Lucy?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Sassy Lucy.
Say I love you.
I love you.
And don't say with your stuff in your mouth. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So bye-bye, Sasha and Lucy.
Bye-bye, Sassy and Lucy.
And Ina and Ruben.
Selena and Ruben.
All right, love you. Give a kiss. Bye.
Bye.
And thank you.
And thank you.
Smile.
Smile.